The Chang'e 4 lunar craft lifted off from the Xichang Satellite Launch Center in Sichuan Province on December 8, carrying a lander and a rover. Chinese state media reports that it entered lunar orbit 4 days later. At 10:26 a.m. local Beijing time on January 3rd, the spacecraft landed on the South Pole Aitken Basin, the moon's largest and oldest impact crater. CNN reports that several hours after touchdown, the rover separated from the lander on the moon's surface and is expected to roam and explore the von Karman crater. According to Space.com, the six-wheeled rover is equipped with a panoramic camera and a visible and near-infrared imaging spectrometer. It will conduct low-frequency radio astronomy observations and see whether plants can grow in the low-gravity environment. It will also explore whether there is water or other resources at the poles. The New York Times reports that the probe has sent back the first close-up image of the moon's far side back to Earth using the relay satellite Cheqiao.